Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our Korean vocabulary by alphabet series. In the first part of the series, we learned some common and essential Korean words starting with the letter Kyok. And in the second video of the series, we learned some very common words starting with the letter Nien. So, if you have not watched these two videos yet, then go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. I will also share the link of these videos in the description so that it becomes easier for you to find them. Alright, now in this video, we are exploring common Korean words that start with tigit. The letter tigit brings us many useful words related to places, objects, animals, and everyday life. So, by the end of this video, you will be able to learn lots of Korean words that start with tigit. South Korea, 대한민국, 대한민국. Now, some of you might be thinking that the Korean word for South Korea is 한국. Yes, that is correct. Hanguk is the popular way, or I should say, a common way to say South Korea in Korean language. But if you're talking about the official name of this country in Korean, then that is 대한민국. Okay? Moon, 달, 달. Animal, 동물, 동물. Leg, 다리, 다리. Thief, 도둑, 도둑. Drama, drama, drama. As you can see, it is a loan word as drama is the transliteration of the English word drama. Squirrel, 다람쥐, 다람쥐. Carrot, 당근, 당근. Money, 돈, 돈. Poison, 톡, 톡. Dolphin, 돌고래, 돌고래. Word, 단어, 단어. Germany, 독일, 독일. Doughnut, doughnut, doughnut. Again, as you can see, doughnut is a loan word as it is a transliteration of the English word doughnut. Calendar, 달력, 달력. Library, 도서관, 도서관. Iron, 다리미, 다리미. City, 도시, 도시. University, 대학교, 대학교. Coin, 동전, 동전. Tofu, tubu, tubu. Again, it is a loan word. Bridge, 다리, 다리. If you remember, then we just saw in this video earlier that 다리 is also the Korean word for leg. Okay? Cigarette, 담배, 담배. Zoo, 동물원, 동물원. 동물 is the Korean word for animal and for a place where animals are kept. That is a zoo. So it is 동물원. Chicken, 탁, 탁, cave, 동굴, 동굴, embassy, 대사관, 대사관, button, 단추, 단추, eagle, 독수리, 독수리, lighthouse, 침대, 침대, billiards, 당구, 당구, tool, 도구, 도구. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. We have covered some essential Korean words that start with tigit, but there are so many more. So, can you think of any other Korean words that begin with tigit? If so, then share them in the comments below and let's make this list even longer. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next letter in our series. Thank you.